Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify WooCommerce webhooks using REST logs step by step clearly. To verify WooCommerce webhooks using REST logs, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce settings section. Click on the Advanced tab in the menu. From there, select Webhooks. Find the webhook you want to verify from the list. Click on the webhook title to access its settings. Take note of the Delivery Log section at the bottom of the screen. Open a new tab and go to your site's REST API logs. To do this, use a plugin like WP Debugging or Log HTTP Requests. Activate the plugin to start logging REST API requests. Return to the WooCommerce webhook settings. Trigger the webhook by performing an action that activates it. This could be creating a new product or processing an order. After performing the action, go back to the REST API logs. Look for a new entry related to the recently triggered webhook. Check the status of the request to see if it was successful. If the request failed, note the error message for troubleshooting. This could include connection issues or incorrect endpoint settings. Review the payload to confirm it matches your expectations. If necessary, adjust the webhook settings and try again. Once you have verified the webhook, keep the logs for future reference. Regularly monitor these logs to ensure ongoing functionality. This step-by-step process will help you successfully verify WooCommerce webhooks using REST logs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.